Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Python latest version on your Windows 10 operating system. And after the installation, we will also verify if our Python program is working properly or not. Well, let's download the Python installation file first. Just open a browser and search for Python. And here is the official site, python.org. Now if you just move your mouse cursor on this download menu, then you will find different version of Python here. Now look at this note. Python 3.9 plus version cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. And this tutorial is for Windows 10 only. Anyways, you can just click on here to download it directly. But sometimes the latest version will not be shown over here. So it's always better to go and check if there is any immediate version. Well, just click on this Windows here. Now click on the latest release. Scroll down to the end. Here you can see we have different versions for different operating systems. If you are using 32 bits, then you can choose this version. As I am using 64 bits, so I will go with this recommended one. Now click here to download this installer. Well, our file is already downloaded. Now let's install Python correctly. Just click to open it. Now click on Run. You may install it by clicking Install Now if you are happy with the default settings. But you can always customize installation by clicking here. You can uncheck anything from this optional feature as per your wish. I would love to keep it as default. You can also customize this installation location from here. Anyways, I would love to go with the default installation settings. But remember this installation location. Anyways, now click on Install. It may take a few minutes for this installation process. It depends on your PC configuration and net speed. So have some patience. Well, our setup is successful, as you can see here. You may check some online tutorial and documentation from here if you want. Or just click on Close. Now let's check if our Python program is properly installed, and also we will verify if it is working correctly. Now go to search option in the bottom and search for Python. And you can see here Python is installed properly. Well, now search CMD here. We will verify our newly installed Python program by using command prompt whether it is working perfectly or not. Open as Run as Administrator. Now type Python and press enter. And you can see Python is not recognized by command prompt. But you need not to worry, we will fix it. What we need to do is, we need to set up Python path in the environment variables. Now follow these steps carefully. Right click on this PC icon. Go to Properties. Here click on this Advanced System Settings. Now go to Environment Variables. Here click on this path option. We will set up the Python path here. Well, let's get the value of Python path. At first, you need to go to the C drive of your computer. Then go to User. Here click on Username. Now go to the App Data. Click on Local. Here find out the program folder. Now click on Python and Python 3.9. Well, this is our targeted folder location and we will need this value. This is the default location, but you can customize the location during the installation process as I told before. Anyways, now copy this folder location like this and go back to your environment variables. Click on New here and paste the value that we have copied earlier. Now click on OK. And we are done. Well, let's verify again our Python program using the command prompt. write Python and press enter like before. And you can see Python is recognized now. It's showing all the information. Let's type a simple Python code. And you can see it's also working properly. Now I will like to exit this code. Let's also check out our Python version in script. Well, you can see here it's also working good. So there is no doubt that our Python program is installed properly and also working perfectly. So thank you so much guys for being with me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned.